How to spot a girl playing tricks on a guy is to have an open dialogue. When you initially start dating a female you find attractive, a small voice may occasionally tell you that she isn't really into you and that this is just a game to her. When you're putting yourself out there for someone, it's normal to feel insecure, but being in a deceptive relationship can be quite emotionally draining. Pay attention to the warning flags that suggest your relationship may not be healthy. 1. Ask her how she feels about you. There are a lot of ways you can try to read the signals, but the easiest thing to do is just be upfront with the girl. Ask her if she really likes you, and don't be afraid to say that you feel insecure about it sometimes. If you do this constantly, it might get on her nerves, but there's nothing wrong with asking her. Don't accuse her, just say sometimes you worry. 2. Inform her of your feelings for her. Opening out emotionally to someone you suspect of being a liar may seem counterproductive, yet it might be the best course of action. She will be more inclined to respond truthfully if you are real and let her know how you truly feel. She might realize that this isn't a joke to you if she's joking about with you. 3. Let her know when you feel like she is playing games with you. Don't be passive-aggressive. Just tell her that sometimes the way she acts hurts your feelings. No one is completely heartless. If she's playing games with you, she may stop because she knows that it hurts you. Once again, don't get angry. Just let her know calmly that it makes you sad when she acts a certain way. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.